Hey everybody, we're on vacation here at New Smyrna Beach, on a condo at the beach, but Disney's still not open until July 11th. So while we're on vacation, the crew decided let's do some more Disney Magic at Home things. So today we're going to be making the grilled cheese sandwich from Toy Story Land in Hollywood Studios. So join us as we use Disney's official recipe from their website to make the grilled cheese from Toy Story Land, Woody's Lunchbox, Hollywood Studios. Here we go. Alright, so we went by the store to get all the ingredients we need to make the grilled cheese sandwich from Woody's Lunchbox at Hollywood Studios. It comes with tots, and so we did tots. We got the extra crispy. So here is what it's supposed to look like when all is said and done. So we will see how it turns out.
So there's three things you have to make, and the first one we're going to work on is the cream cheese spread, which I think just goes on the sandwich before you cook it. Anyways, so we're going to use a half a cup of cream cheese. Okay, so half a cup of cream cheese, and it's blender or food processor, but we only have a blender here. Okay, the real star of the show here. Cheese. I'm gonna do a half a cup, and everybody loves cheese, so if you do more, I don't see why that's a problem. Okay. 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. There are no measuring spoons in this condo, so we're eyeballing it.
We're just gonna
1
guesstimate.
tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Boom. Alright, and then it says 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which just is gonna go like this. Alright. And then I'm gonna figure out how I use this blender. Cheese spread. Kind of reminds me of pimento cheese spread. Next we're going to do the garlic spread, and it starts with a cup of real mayonnaise, which is a lot, and this might not be enough, but it's okay. And the garlic for the garlic spread. And I'm not going to put all that in. It's a lot. Alright, put this in here so I can mix it. And then just some of that. And there's your 2 spreads. The easiest part of this recipe.
Tots go in for about 20 minutes.
Done! Okay, so this recipe makes 4 sandwiches. So we're gonna go with cheddar first. 2 of them on half of it. And it calls for an artisanal bread. We chose Hearty White. This one's nice because the slices are kind of thick.
Yeah, I think they use sourdough at Hollywood Studios, but you basically just need kind of a thick
bread.
Premium
there's a
bread.
lot going on here.
If you get like regular old Wonder Bread white bread, you're gonna be in trouble.
Yeah.
But
So that's the cheddar. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the provolone on the other side. Perfect amount. Okay. Now you get the cream cheese spread, and that's going to go on the cheddar side. It said evenly distribute it.
They're at all 4 sides, or I guess half of the sandwiches. This is what it's going to look like on the inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we go to the outside.
Yep. Alright, putting it all together here. Honestly, I think it's easier to do it like this. And it says smash it, so I'm gonna do my best impression of the Hulk. So, they say to heat your pan up for about 5 minutes before you're ready to use it, so it's nice and hot, and I can tell that it is in fact nice and hot. Now you put the garlic spread on the outside, and it says to do both sides before you put it in the pan, but what I think is going to be easier is to do the one side, put it down, and then wipe it on the other side.
We're going to give it a try.
Yeah, we'll see. Because I don't particularly want to hold this, is the honest truth. Because that's a lot of garlic, and it just...
I mean, it spreads easy because it's mayo.
It's just mayonnaise with garlic in it. I think you should do a pretty thin layer. I'm gonna drop it in.
Is that tiger from Mr. Rogers?
This is like flipping a pancake, you just kind of gotta go.
You can see the sizzle.
Yeah, that's what you want. Alright, I'm going on the other side now. Also, this pan in the condo is not even on the bottom, so... you can smell the garlic cooking already.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
Everybody to COVID.
Yeah, you have to be okay with garlic, I think, for this recipe. 1, 2. Ooh,
Oh my
that's
gosh,
pretty.
that is perfect. You do about 2 minutes on each side.
Yep.
That is, it smells good. It looks good. I bet it is good.
Alright, 2 minutes aside.
They're not worth my time.
Let's move it to the plate.
So our first finished sandwich.
Should I cut it? Let's see if we got the goo. Nope. Cheese, I would wait, because 2 minutes on each side didn't really get it.
So we did it 2 minutes on each side and it did not melt the cheese good enough, so you're going to want to probably add, I'd say, a minute. I'd probably do 3 minutes on each side.
Yeah, because you can tell on the outside it's getting there.
Or you might want to heat up your pan. We're at medium.
Which is what it said. So the next one we do, I'll heat it up a little bit.
Maybe go to medium high.
Update. Slightly higher heat up to 2 minutes per side is the way to go.
Well, our tots are done, so
Tot time. Woo, it's hot. Those look like tots.
sold. We will garnish those closer to time.
We decided tots were boring, and so we added the theme of the night, cheese, and threw them back in for a minute. The sandwiches are all done. The first one was a little bit of a disaster, but we learned from our mistakes.
We made it work.
And as a final touch for the tots, we're gonna just add some sliced green onion.
That looks good.
You could go full nacho, I would say, if you wanted.
You could add chili.
Chili? Oh
Chili
yeah,
cheese
chili would
tots
be
are good
good.
with a little green onion.
Some sour cream.
But
Bacon.
I give it a 9 out of 10. Hey, what do you give it?
I give it a good. I mean, for as far as grilled cheese sandwiches go, I'd say a 10 out of 10.